Hi friends, now we are going to do another OpenSQL statement command where we can find the count of entries and all those things. Count distinct and count entries. So what I'll do, I'll show both. So if I do p underscore count, okay, so that's what I have. I think p underscore count is not initial, okay. And if you are seeing this thing, this is the command, okay. And here you can see I have already declared all these parameters, and I'll share this program in the video in the description portion. And here, so if p underscore count, so now I'll try to find search. Now my requirement is to find distinct value. So in this particular field, suppose this partner profit center, I want to say what are the different distinct values that are being used, how many. Okay, so that's my requirement. So what I'll do is select, I'll put count. I love this. It tries to autofill, and you just hit the tab, and you're on. So here I'll put distinct. Okay, this is good. And here I will say PPR CTR. Okay, and here I put this. Then I put into ampersand data. I'm using the inline declaration, so this is very slick. Also, LV count. I'll just put okay, and here I'll put from AC Docker wait. Okay, I'll put the company code I know is 1710. It's my company code, the guinea pig, and I'll put right here, and I'll put LV. What was it? Count, right? And I'll put this, and I'll activate it. Let's see. And I'll execute. There is the count, if you notice, and here I'll get the value 10. There's 10 unique values that are getting stored here. So if I do a sort descending, I don't know, we'll have a lot of things. Let's see. Sort descending, if I do, there you see YB900. So there's, so you have to trust this. It's probably it's right. So YB900 and all those things. So if there is 10 different values that is there. Now suppose I need to do a count on the number of entries that are there for a particular, for this company code. How can I do? So in this case I'll do pretty easy. Select count, okay, and here I'll put star, okay, and I'll put uh, into ampersand data, and I'll just do the same LV count, and I'll put, because I'll use some portion of it from AC doc, yes, where are we. After some time you don't need to even see the keyboard, you can just type it, okay. So whatever, it's up to you. And and here write LV one, and here, so I'll activate it. Let's see. And if you notice, there is 1968 entries. Let me go out, and here I'll just do a number 191996988 entries. So it should show that. So here p count, you do this, you see, you got it. So it's very easy. In this way you can learn this new OpenSQL statement, and you should be using this anywhere and everywhere in the new ABAP era, especially in S4HANA. So, so that's it. Stay tuned to my SAP channel, and happy SAP learning, and have a great day.